Yo guys, welcome to today's video. So I'm going to put the laptop near. Notice that my audio is not good. So look, let's go to the market and we are going to do some fucking analysis. Look, this is Bitcoin. So Bitcoin broke a level of sellers. Still this level of sellers. Bitcoin is giving us bearish push to the downside. I'm thinking Bitcoin comes back up to this level, we might look for buys. Now let's go to gold. Gold, hmm, I'm extremely skeptical about gold. Let me tell you guys. Because of one thing, there's no way geopolitical news is against structure. Bro, hadi kama structure ni bearish, which is clear. Structure ni bearish, extremely bearish. Hii ni lower high imeformiwa. Niko sure tukitumia fib tuangalie price imeretest 0.786 na inatupea bearish push to the downside. I don't see how price itself is against geopolitical tensions. I don't see how. I think what price is doing here, this is a clean manipulation. Ndio uingie cells and then price itapump. So ni market gani yenye iko in line with fundamental analysis? Sijui kwa nini inaitwa aje? Ni market gani iko in line na fundamental analysis? Bitcoin irregardless structure ni bullish. In the 4-hour time frame na 1-hour time frame, structure ni bullish because sellers wamekuwa broken out. Remember, this level is extremely powerful. Structure ni extremely bullish na fundamental analysis inasema nini? Inasema that Bitcoin ni bullish. So this is hii market tu ndo iko in line na fundamental analysis. Let me check. It's been a long time since I checked Nasdaq. Though to be sincere, mi siwezi trade any Bitcoin. Angalia Nasdaq accumulation. This year ijaanza vizuri. This year poorly performed year. Last year dili perform better kuliko this year market wise. I don't know why the market is behaving this way. So I think price is going to sell to maybe this level, might see a bullish push to the upside. Yeah, but my view on market execution, neither. Because even if fundamental analysis na technical analysis iko aligned, I'm not comfortable executing Bitcoin at any time. Why? Because hakuna vile yenye kuna the highest amount of liquidity, gold, iko against fundamental analysis and the technical analysis against each other, and dare to expect me to consider even Bitcoin. If this is the market with the biggest market cap alive, and its structure and fundamental analysis against each other, and Bitcoin is aligned, though Bitcoin is an independent market by itself, I don't see how it's safe to even trade in this current market. We might as well wait for structure, either ikuwe bullish or extremely bearish, so that we can now consider executing Bitcoin. So this time I can tell everybody to avoid trading. Avoid trading.